Welcome back to our live. This is our third quarter game. Okay, third quarter tayo. Let's go. 16 and 13. Shot back! Ayan na, humahabol na ang mga nakapula. Oh, steal! Here comes number 9. Uy, what a pass! Ay! Sayang, napalakas ang tira doon. Sa corner, jump shot, no! Oopsie, out of bounds. Matake, floater, basket. 18-15. Ayun na, tumira. Uy, munti ka na. Shooting on the line, jersey number 10, Casabar. Substitution. Santos coming in. Casabar shooting for 2. Next game kayo, next game. Galangan nyo ha.
Ewan ko kung ano.
Maya.
Bakit nakawan daw?
Oy, no! Basket para sa team ni Coach Bry. 18-17. Number 21, kick out, running shot, no. There's a foul, number 8. Time out. Time out dito sila Coach AJ Balano of the Gold Team. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
Pag pinakita mo naman.
Oh, steal. Bad pass. Here comes number 14. Yasa. Crossover. That's a travel. Big shot, no. number 9, basket. Official score 21.
Dapat tayo ah.
According yan sa ating official,
Dapat ba yan?
number 9, oh, block. May number 22. 22 ba? 22? 21? Sige. 22 na? Thank you, thank you. Number! Number! 20. No good. 23-18. Take a shot. No. Ayun na, nagkagawan. Yellow team. Number 28, short. Ayun na, huli na taman. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Number 9. Oh, still, nagkas sa foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Time out. Coach Bry. Sino coach niyo?
Dapat yung mabuhay.
Marambol, marambol. Okay, back to the ball game. Wala ng mga nakapula. That's number 9. Whoa! Para nice shot. Kasabar ata yun. Alas, nagkasabar. That's a travel. Kasabar looking for his teammate. Pass to number 8, number 9. Spin. Number 9. Ayan na, steal. And that's a jump ball. Same ball tayo. Yellow ball. Here comes number 26. And now what an extra pass. And gets the foul. By the way, lamang na ang mga nakapula. 25-18. Practice na. Basket. 20 na po. Ay, ano ba? 19. No good. No good Isa pa. At nakalusot na. 25-21. Mabasa patang lamang ng team ni Coach AJ. Ay, sorry, Coach Bry rather. Ay na! 3-point! At nakasagot si number 9. 28-21. Gets the 3, no. Pass number 28 for 3. Short.
Sub.
Out of bounds, sub. Mercado coming in, Riley. Number 9, spin. Pass to number 10. Jump shot, no. Rebound by number 13. Steal by Casabar. Ayun na, nagagawa na. Rebound. Last touch. Hello na. Turnover. 26. Pinasa corner. Wrap up Riley for 3. No. Wala pa rin. Number 28 and score. Ayan na, humahabol na ang team ni Coach AJ. 28-23. Casabar, steal by number 28. Here comes Pamituan. Gets a foul. Number 10. Casabar. Remaining time, 3 minutes. Oh, steal by number 24. Jump shot, no. Here comes number 2. Oh, steal. Number 9. Uy, what a block. At nakabawi doon si Pamintuan. Oh, sorry, that's number 26. Oh, still number 26. Ayun na, pass to Riley. Mercado, back to number 26. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line. Choosing number 26. Tumasakit ata. Yung chan. Sevilla. Siya para kay Sevilla, no? Second shot, no good. Ayan na, binigay. Number 28, wala pa rin. Number 11, 13. Ay, wala. There's a foul. Time out. Tignan naman natin ang adal ni Coach AJ Bolano for a yellow team or a gold team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Free throw area, jersey number 26. may grade. Na nagagawan. Still. For a hustle by Casabar. Oh, there's a trouble. Ah. Thank you, wait lang. Saan ganun doon? Uy! Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes tayo sa ating first half. Number 14. Uy, what a nice crossover. Take a shot. No. There's a foul. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Timeout. Official timeout. On the free throw area, just number 9. Swerte nyo ah.
Libre pa.
Isa kayo sa mga swerte. Yung ba shirt ah? Kompleto rin? Ayos. Ayun na, number 28. Oy, wala. Oh, siyan. Ayun na, number 10. Out and pass, number 67. Oy, wala. Isa pa. Sayang. Number 67 and shooting for 2. First shot. Uy, wala. Number 9. No good. For a save. Wala pa rin. Steal. Uy. Huli ka. Sab. Ay, kasama ka ba? Kaya dyan ko kasi. Kaya alat eh. Ayun na, Casabar, short. Ibang by Valdez, steal. Oh, steal. Number 26. Oh, basket. Kaya jersey number 26. Ayun na, humahabol na. 3 na lamang ang kalabangan ng team ni Coach Bry. Gets the foul.
Hey guys! Sakay!
the line. Number 14. Basket. Basket is good. 31-26. Time remaining. Last 30 seconds. Ayun na, nagagawan. That's a jump ball. Remaining time. Last 24 seconds. Number 9. Last 14. Last 12 seconds. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. 31-26. 5-point lead para sa mga nakapula. Valdez shooting for 2. Comes Valdez. Short. Second shot. No. Last 12 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third quarter. Official score 31-26 in favor of the red team with Coach Bry. Ayan na, humahabol si Coach Bry. Sila ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan. Yan natin ang hada ni Coach AJ dito for the last and final quarter. Natin kung makakahabol sila rito at mananalo. Malaman natin yan maya lamang. Idol, Mini-midget din kayo? Mini-midget din? O junior na? Mini-midget din? Junior na.
Kaya pala lino ng iPhone. Sa lipan linaw eh.
Ay talaga, thank you. Pa-share naman, para may mga... Wala pa, wala. Baka tulog pa iba. Tulog pa iba eh. Eto lang.
Kaya po sa mga alam nyo po pa.
Nanonood ka comments.
Wala pa eh. Wala pa, di ba na akong basa eh. Comments na ba?
Ay, Adam Delvis. Adam Delvis.
Shoutout guys!
Next game na kayo ha. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Okay, basketball game tayo. Let's go. Fourth and final quarter. Basket count and one by Pamintuan.
Pamintuan! Hindi pamintuan!
Shoutout si Kapitan tayo. Kapitan.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ako debit. Wala ka dito.
Nice, Kapitan ako. Shoutout kay Kap Alvin. He is watching. Magandang umaga po, Kap Alvin. Ang barangay Balong ba to?
Uy, kuya!
Oh, steal. Ayan na. Happy viewing po kay Cap Alvin Alonso from Barangay Palun Bato. Dito po siya para manood ang ating live. Umaya ng ating mga kabarangay na new generation sa ating basketball league. Ayan, Coach Alvin Alonso. Coach Alvin, look up. Out of bounds. Ayun na, isa na lamang po ang alamangan ng mga nakapula. Loader! Ayan na, change favor. Lamang na ang mga nakadilaw or a gold team. Here comes Casabar na bitawan. Steal by number 13. Pass number 28. Block. Number 67. Running shot, nice sagot. Ayan na, double deal, another steal. Casabar and gets the foul. Ayan na. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa dulo. Maganda ang ating first game. Kikita na. Oy! Basket para kay Casabar. Second shot para kay Casabar. Ang first name yan, tol? Keeper? Keeper Casabar. No good. Oh, steal. Number 9. Basket! Ngayon lalaban, di ba? Central ka ba?
Mag-aaral pa lang.
Mag-aaral pa lang. Oh, Casabar ka rin. Kapatid mo ba? Hindi ba pa may player? Grabe, maganda pala makita yung younger brother dito, si Keeper. At sila ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. 37-32. Hadal muna, hadal ni Coach Bry of the Red Team. Shoutout kay Miguel John Abar or Miguel John Dolar rather. And happy viewing sa'yo, idol. Oh, block from behind. Here comes number 9. Steal by number 13. Pass number 23. Running shot. No. Ayun na, no good. Save the ball. Steal. Makakuha rito. Number 25. No good. Ayun na, nagagawan. Casabar. Uy, wala. Seconds violation. Ayan na, bola rito. Wala ready. Here comes Casabar. Binigay. Number 9. And there's a foul. Shooting the line at jersey number 9, Cabale. First shot para kay Cabale, wala.
Drive, drive. Blinder. Don't find it.
Second shot, basket para kay Cabale. 38. At 39. At 38. Uy. 38, 13-2. Oh, still out of bounds. Another shot. Uy. Out of bounds. Uy, out of bounds. Substitution. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Timeout. Hey. Timeout, Coach Bry of the Red Team. Natin Coach Bry. Yan, shoutout kay Nene Morata. Pang barangay, Balong ba to? Kaya ba to? Sino? Eh, syempre kay Coach Oliver din, na nanonood ng ating live. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Alam ko kakagising nyo lang, sarap matulog eh. Walang pasok.
Ney Morata, galing China.
Galing China ba?
Oh, mabiyaya dito para makalaro.
Sino kaya ang magkakampiyon eh? Na yung one-day league natin eh. Ayun na, malapit na tayo sa dulo. 5 minutes and 27 seconds sa ating last and final quarter. Sino kaya mananalo sa ating first game? Ayun na. Binigay. Out of bounds. Number 28, crossover, binigay, wala. Pass to number 21, basket. 38-34. Casabar, pass to number 9. Ayun na, defense. Binigay kay number 26, fake. Pass number 10, Casabar. Too strong. Kabile to Casabar. Wala. Oy, may na-pull back. By number 67. Ayun na si Pamintuan. Pamintuan, binigay kay number 21. Wala. Number 13, no good. Number 21, reverse layup. Wala pa rin. Number 13, wala. Rebound na dito ng malak pula. Outlet pass. Oy! Out of bounds. By Castro. Ay na mga naka-yellow. Number 28. Pamintuan. No good. Steal. Pass to number 9, Kabile. Basket. 4 42-34. Ayun na, nagagawan. Hindi ko makita. Steal. Number 21. Oy, sayang. Pumasok sana yun. That's a travel. Ang tawag ng ating referee. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Kasabar. Oh, steal. Number 13, binigay. Kay Valdez. Outlet pass. Steal. Number 26. Steal by Valdez. Valdez! No! Rebound by Sevilla. Steal. Number 28. Gets a foul. Pamintuan is shooting for 2 for the yellow or the gold team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Second shot, no. And there's a foul. Good. Take a 3, wala. Out of bounds. Comes number 28. Pass through. Take a shot. Oh! Basket para kay Valdez. There's a 7 on the line. Bola ng mga naka-goal team. Boy, ay na, spin move, number 13, no! Rebound, makakuha ang number 14. Pass to Casabar, catch and shoot, wala! Hey, too strong! Ayun na, uy! Number 67, pass to Casabar, bang! Pumapala na si Kiefer Casabar. Ayun na, number 28, oh! Number 8, block! Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Oy, Waral na stay up pero wala. Valdez. Too strong. Oh, still by Casabar. Casabar, no. Rebound by number 14, wala pa rin. Here comes number 8, pass number 21. Number 28, what a pass. Oy, still. Number 14, pass to Kabile. Kabile, dire-derecho. No good. Ayun na, last 52 seconds. Oh, it's a foul by Casabar. That's a 4th personal foul. Warning, warning, warning. No good. Wala pa rin. Out at pass. Here comes Castro.
Ay, kailan ka talaga?
Lock. Ay, Valdez. Ay, Ayan na, number 38, short. Oh, good. Boy. Number 28. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, nagagawan. Oh. Jump ball. Last 22 seconds remaining para sa ating first game sa ating one-day league here at Balang Barangay, Balong Bato. Is the mini midget division. Number 8. Oh, still. Kabili! Oy! Sumabay ka pa. Ayan na. Get the shot. Uy! Valdez! Ay! At winner of the first game. Our final score 46-36. Panalo po sa first game natin ang Team Red. Okay, congratulations. Handshake tayo. Ayan na. Winner of our first game, ang team ni Coach Bry. And a nice game para sa team ni Coach AJ. Hey, nice game. Riley, shoutout mo na, shoutout. Isa shoutout. So, si 67, ano ka shoutout? Ayaw. Okay, next game tayo. Sa ating pagbabalik, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.